News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Nishit Kumar, giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we'll be discussing about vacancies in CSIR, Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute, ICAR, Central Institute for Research on Cattle, UCMS and GTB Hospital, Delhi, National Institute of Technology, Kurukshetra, SCAD Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Tutukudi, Indian Academy of Highway Engineers, Noida, Delhi Cantonment Board, Directorate General of Defence Estates Organization, Department of Fisheries, National Institute of Ayurveda, and Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. CSIR, Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute, established in 1958, is an apex R&D institute for mechanical engineering and allied disciplines under the aegis of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, which is an autonomous body under the Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India. The institute is looking for dynamic and creative technical assistants in the area or discipline of mechanical or production or civil or electrical or electronics for its headquarters at Durgapur, West Bengal. However, the incumbent shall be liable to be transferred to the Institute Centre, CSIR, Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute, Ludhiana, Punjab, and to any of the CSIR labs or institutions, including its centres, as per the need in public interest. Total number of vacancies of technical assistants are 22. For further information on detailed advertisement, other required information and submitting the application online, the interested eligible candidates may log on to the Institute website www.cmeri.res.in. Last date for submission of online application is 20th of December 2021 up to 5 p.m. and last date for receipt of the hard copy of online applications is 31st December 2021 up to 5:30 p.m. Walk-in interview for 7 positions of young professionals will be held from 4th of January 2022 onwards at 11 a.m. at the ICAR, Central Institute of Research on Cattle, Meerut, UP. Details for the interview can be seen in the website www.circ.icar.gov.in. Applications are invited for one post of Senior Project Assistant on purely temporary basis in ICMR sanctioned research project entitled ICMR Young Diabetes Registry and Young Diabetes Registry Cohort Phase 3 in the Department of Endocrinology, Center for Diabetes Endocrinology and Metabolism, UCMS and GTB Hospital, Dilshad Garden, Delhi. Appointment will be on purely temporary basis, initially for 1 year, extendable up to the duration of the project. Eligible applicants may submit their CV and supporting documents along with proof of date of birth by 27 December 2021 4 p.m. at demresearch2020@gmail.com. No application will be entertained after this date. Applications without supporting documents will be summarily rejected. No further communication will be made in this regard. Shortlisted candidates will be informed of the date and time of written test and typing test by email. No TA or DA will be paid. National Institute of Technology, Kurukshetra invites online applications from Indian and foreign nationals for admission to the Doctor of Philosophy PhD degree programs on full-time and part-time seats for academic year 2021-22. Number of seats, online application link, and other relevant details along with PhD ordinance are available on the Institute's website www.nitkkr.ac.in under Admission 2021/PhD tab. All interested candidates may fill the Google form latest by 14 December 2021 up to 5:30 p.m. If the application is incomplete or any information is found misleading or false at any point during or after the admission process, the candidate's candidature or admission will be cancelled and the application fee will not be refunded in any case. Please visit the Institute website regularly for any announcement or updates in this regard. Applications are invited to the following vacant posts under the scheme of SCAD Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Tutukudi, NGO, and positions co-terminus with the scheme. One post of Senior Scientist and Head, and one post of Subject Matter Specialist Animal Science. The last date for receiving the application from within 15 days of advertisement published in the newspaper. For further details, please log on to the website www.scadkvk.org. Indian Academy of Highway Engineers, Noida is a premium national training institute for training of highway professionals and registered society under the administrative control of the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, Government of India, is looking for employees under the central government or state government or central public sector undertaking for filling up of one Group A post of Deputy Director, Administration and Finance on deputation basis only. The last date of receipt of applications is 28th of January 2022. Further details regarding application forms, qualifications, experience and age limit, visit the Academy's website www.iahe.org.in. Delhi Cantonment Board invites online recruitment applications for one post of Junior Hindi Translator by using the website www.delhi.cant.gov.in. Only online applications will be accepted. Applications forms received from any other source or incomplete applications shall not be entertained and will be summarily rejected. For further details and online application, please log on to the website www.delhi.cant.gov.in. Decision of the competent authority would be final with regard to all matters connected with the recruitment, including cancellation of recruitment process at any stage, and no correspondence in this regard will be entertained. Last date of submitting online applications is 31st of December 2021. Government of India, Ministry of Defence, Directorate General of Defence Estates Organisation is going to conduct the examination of the following posts: 7 vacancies of Junior Hindi Translator, 89 posts of Sub-Divisional Officer Grade 2, and 1 post of Hindi Typist. Detailed advertisement along with eligibility criteria, instructions to apply, etc., along with forms are available on the websites www.dgde.gov.in, pune.cant.gov.in, nidem.dgde.gov.in, delhi.cant.gov.in, and barakpur.cant.gov.in. Any subsequent corrigendum to this advertisement will be hosted on these websites only. Accordingly, interested candidates may apply. The last date for receipt of application forms is 15th of January 2022 up to 1700 hours. For candidates residing in Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura, Sikkim, Jammu and Kashmir, Lahaul and Spiti districts, and Pangi subdivision of Chamba district of Himachal Pradesh, Andaman Nicobar and Lakshadweep Islands are given 2 weeks extra time to submit the application. Department of Fisheries invites applications for one post of Assistant Commissioner Fishing Harbour on composite method, deputation including short-term contract plus promotion. For eligibility criteria, that is educational qualifications, experience, biodata, proforma, etc., the applicants are advised to refer to the official website of this department www.dof.gov.in. The applications for the post, complete in all respects, should be forwarded through proper channel to the concerned authority within 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. National Institute of Ayurveda, deemed to be University, Ministry of Ayush, Government of India, invites applications in the prescribed format for the following posts to be filled by direct recruitment. 1 post of Panchakarma Vaidya, 1 post of Junior Stenographer Hindi, 1 post of Junior Medical Laboratory Technologist, 1 post of Library Assistant, 3 posts of Lower Division Clerk, and 11 posts of multitasking staff. The closing date for receipt of applications is 60 days from the date of publication of this notification in Employment News, excluding the day of publication. Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare invites applications for 1 post of Additional Commissioner Crops on deputation, including short-term contract basis. For complete advertisement, application format, eligibility criteria, etc., educational qualification, biodata, proforma, etc., the applicants are advised to visit the official website of this department www.agricoop.nic.in. The application, complete in all respects, should be forwarded through proper channel to the concerned authority within 60 days from the date of publication of this circular in the Employment News or Rozgar Samachar. Applications not forwarded through proper channel or those received without the requisite certificates and necessary documents will not be entertained. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for information in English, Rozgar Samachar for information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We'll meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You are listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on our mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email your opinion about this program at airnsttalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.